Can you sit? Zeke, sit. Shake. The other one. The other one. Shake. The other one. There you go. All right. Would you rather go on a run? Time to run? Okay, today a quick one within range. Let's see what we can do. Going up the north side trail here onto BLM land over to a little grove of trees that have been blown down by the wind. It's rather interesting to see them all just crash down. Here will actually be a straight line sector after we gain some altitude into BLM. Okay, Doc. Yes, I'm yammering to myself. Property boundary marker. Old white pine. These have eventually died out because of the dryness here. These are pretty cool trees. Yes, I spelled squirrel wrong. Elk scat from 5 years ago, at least, or something, when neighbors prior had some horses and they had a hay rack feeding the elk locally. They hung up here one winter. By the way, I have been up here before where there's literally about 4 feet of snow. Then again, it just shows you how long I could just sit here on the ground drying out. And that's just elk scat. On our private property. Actually, a little over on the neighbor's property. Alright, enough climbing for a while. Overdressed for the occasion. That fence line right there, bum up. There we go. That's falling down. That marks public land right there. We're going to go on this little game trail though, because it's more lateral along the hillside. And the public land will come in here and bisect anyway. The fence is gone by there. Sorry, Zeke, I think that garlic bread was like a one-time find. Big one, but it's cut. way to firewood. I'm lingering. And here's the fence again. Very dense but dry forest. Virtually no underbrush though. Alright dog, let's follow this on the vector here. See if we can find that little grove. Boy. I do believe this is it. I first came upon this soon after a wind blast nailed all these trees, and there was a lot less of the smaller trees below it, so it was a lot more dramatic. So wouldn't want to have been there at the time. White pine. Not a lodgepole because lodgepoles don't have these branches coming out, so pretty far out. Now this is it, Zeke. The Valley of the Fallen Giants. You can call modest Douglas firs giants. Widest illustration of how all this fall, this jackstraw as it's called, can really slow you down or block the landscape. Imagine this at Mount St. Helens, and there's the entire forest of huge trees. Follow your lead. Oh, some of these are still ready to come down. is. What's holding this up, Zeke? I do believe this old dead, or maybe it wasn't dead when it came down and was decapitated. That's possible. Yeah, this is stronger. Nevertheless.
Must be a little wind funnel there, Zico. Wind came off the divide and just came funneling in here and, or microbursted it. Bursted it, did. Yeah, see if we can get right in this one. Now, that's an oldie but a goodie.